Hi, my name is Katie Allen, and I am the owner and CEO of Beyoutiful Wandz. Within 3.5 years, I turned my online and salon business into a six-figure company. I've learned how to create different cash flows within the industry to support my family. On this channel, we are going to go over two different topics. We're going to go over the business side and the lash side of the industry. For the business side, we're going to go over how I was able to turn my e-commerce store into 3 different streams of income, tips and tricks I've learned along the way, and hopefully we can help you on your journey. We will also be covering tips and tricks by lash artists for lash artists so that you can learn how to take your business from zero to hero. So you'll get to learn a lot about me, my husband, and my family. My husband is the other half of this business. He's the person behind the scenes that doesn't get shown on the camera, or doesn't get the support that he deserves as much. You'll also get to know my ambassadors. My ambassadors are an amazing group of women who love to support people just like you in the industry. You're going to learn tips and tricks from them along the way as well. We're here for you at Beyoutiful Wandz for whatever you may need. So if you want to send us a direct message or ask a question below, go ahead and do that. You can contact us at Beyoutiful Wandz or hello@beyoutifulwandz.com, and we're happy to help you in any way we can. We can't wait to be part of your journey. Thank you for choosing us to help support you along the way. We can't wait to, no, that's not it, and teach you things that I learned.